welcome to our first vlog on the channel. I'm so excited. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Today is Saturday. We want to go get a few things from a shop and we want to take the kids along with us. It's been a while we took them out. So we'll go get the things and then maybe take them out for maybe ice cream or something. Guys, the thing with going to shop with kids is that they start dragging you, pulling you for different directions for you to get something for them. But I'm going to warn them: no buying of anything, no demanding anything. But you know that does not work, right? Anyway, so but before everybody gets ready, I want to rush to the market and make soup. I need to make soup. I know that I will go to the market and come back and everybody will still not be ready. And I think I'll still have enough time to make my soup before my husband and every other person is ready. I don't want to waste this opportunity because if I don't make the soup today, I'll have to make it tomorrow. Why not just make it now? They like to pick. I think if you let them, you're going to buy the whole shop. Hello, good morning. So today is the beginning of Africa Creators Week, and YouTube invited me to attend their programs. It's the first program is going to be a wellness dinner, which is today. For some reason, I've not gotten my package yet. It's going to arrive soon. I got a call saying it has been sent to the airport and it's been sent to me. So that's what I'm waiting for. The delivery of the box. I'm going to show you the box when it arrives. I'm also supposed to have food, so they should expect a call from the vendor when they want to come and deliver. I'm excited. This is my first time of attending such a program. Looking forward to meeting other creators, and I'm just curious to see how this event is going to be. I don't know if I'm going to take you along with me. I don't know how this works, but whatever bit I can vlog for you, I will do that. I want to quickly hurry up and do some things before the program starts. I just want to finish everything in advance. I don't want to hurry. I don't want to be distracted. So let me just finish up the work I have to do before the kids come back from school. I just got a call that my package is here. I'm going out to pick it from the delivery guy. I think it's the YouTube package first. They said we're going to do a group exercise. So let me go see what the package is and definitely show you guys what's inside the package. my goodness, YouTube wants us to make beads for sale. Uh-huh. Hey there, we're super excited to see you soon. I hope you are too. Ahead of the evening, we wanted to give you a care package for you to enjoy during the wellness evening. We wanted to give you this equipment so that you can unwind while tapping into your creative skills. What are you going to be making? All will be revealed soon. New post, okay, whatever. Be sure to remember to let us know you got your package by using at YouTube hashtag Create Africa Creator Week on social media. We can't wait to see you. The card here. And whew, this is interesting. So many beads. So many beads. So many beads. Oh wow. Oh, this one is 10. This one is good. Here is my lunch. Go in the box. Let's go in the pot. Color. Cake. I have some jollof rice here. Some fish and chicken. Okay. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you.
From negativity. I try to eat as healthy as I can. I try to live in the present and not worry too much about the future or the past. It doesn't always work, but I try. To protect my well-being, I saw.
Hi. So it's the morning after. How are you guys doing? Guys, yesterday's event was a success. I really enjoyed it. It was so good. Well, an eye-opener. And what we're supposed to do, I found out what we're supposed to do with the basket. I found out what we're supposed to do with the beads. We're supposed to make a Maasai basket with the beads. They got someone to teach us how to make the basket. But guys, I got lost. I really got lost. I don't know. Anyway, I think I just take consolation in the fact that I was not the only one. He was quite fast. And when he just said measure how many 5-meter wires, and the way he was just, anyway, guys, let me not just start giving too many excuses. I got lost. I ended up not doing it. And the organizers realized that a lot of us got lost. I'm here to see one person who actually did follow along with him. Some people just started making their own stuff. I think I saw somebody, she made like a necklace or so. Or a guy made a necklace, and then somebody else, she made she just put her beads on the string and made a small design for her head. It was quite cute. But yeah, so I still have all my beads intact. I actually opened one to follow along, but I told you guys I couldn't. But I think if I had taken time, I would have been able to do it. The time for us to do it was short, so he didn't really explain it to us. Imagine his 30 years as opposed to my one day experience. I've been doing it for over 30 years, so my beads are still here. Although, since they realized that many people were not following, they said they were going to get a recording of the lesson and send it to us so that we can make the baskets on our own. But before then, my kids are just excited that they have beads to play with. They like making bracelets, earrings, and rings. So they have a lot of beads to play with. Everything is still intact. But it was a great evening. Thank you, YouTube, for organizing this. Like I said earlier, this was my first invite, and I enjoyed it. I had fun. This Africa Creators Week has been a good one. It has been an eye-opener. I've learned a lot of things from it. I think it's just about 100 and that wellness evening, we're just about 160 or so, not more than 165 if we're up to, and it was quite good. So yeah, you guys saw my dinner. They sent us dinner, and they sent us this. Although I got a mail that I'm supposed to get a package for tomorrow's event, which is the Boss and Bloom event. I was invited for that too. I'm waiting for my package. When it arrives, I'll let you guys know, and I'll show you what's inside the package. Okay, guys, I think YouTube is about the only platform that really cares about the welfare of its creators. I had said this to somebody before, and now this just reinforces it. For them to have organized an evening where an expert came and was, teaching us about mental health, how to manage our mental health and all that, it was really good. I know I'm on Instagram, not too active on Instagram. I'm on Facebook, and I know creators who create on that platform, and I know that no such thing goes on there. Maybe others will learn from this and start taking care of their creators. I'm looking forward. Guys, don't mind my hair. Oh. I'm looking forward to the Boss and Bloom event tomorrow. This wellness evening was a hit. Was good. So I think tomorrow's one is gonna be great too. If this is the first time you're seeing me, my name is Otabi. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I make videos on natural hair, motherhood. I also do vlogs. It's on everything you find on this channel. So do well to subscribe. Join the family. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell so that whenever new videos are posted, you will get them. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to how did I do on the vlog. Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.